Hello everyone, I'm Agugu. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're at the largest lake in northern Italy, Garda Lake. With a coastline stretching over 158 kilometers and crystal clear water, the scenery here is like a poem, attracting countless tourists and vacationers every year. Let's move on to Sirmione, a delightful lakeside town known as the Pearl of Garda Lake. This ancient town is located at the southern end of the lake, on a narrow peninsula embraced by the lake. It's famous worldwide for its unique natural scenery and long history, making it a bustling tourist hotspot. You can participate in a variety of outdoor activities. Whether it's boating, sailing, swimming, or hiking, you can feel the passionate embrace of nature. A boat tour on the lake is definitely something you can't miss, as the picturesque scenery on both sides will captivate you. In Sirmione, you can't miss the Scaliger Castle. This 13th century castle is one of Sirmione's landmarks, and visitors can explore the museum inside the castle to gain a deeper understanding of the historical background. In addition to its historical ambience, Sirmione is also famous for its thermal springs. Visitors can relax and receive treatment at the local spa centers. All in all, Sirmione offers a perfect blend of natural scenery, historical culture, and outdoor activities. Whether you're on a romantic trip with your significant other or a fun family outing, you can find your perfect moment here. Come join us as we explore this land full of wonders. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our exciting videos. You can also leave comments and discuss with us. I'll bring you more wonderful videos. I'm Agugu. See you in the next episode.